Hello, today I'll be showing you how to download and watch videos / movies on your units. So first things first, what you want is a USB. Once you have a USB, download any videos with the format of, our most recommended formats are MP4, MKV or MOV. So once you have them there, plug them into one of the USB jacks. Then you want to do the following. You want to click onto the folder icon. Once you're in folder, go on locate your USB, which is right under this icon. Once you're in your USBs, locate where your videos are. So there's two different ways of playing movies or finding movies through your unit. So what you want to do is, first things first, you can have it on your USB. Whenever you disconnect your USB, the movies will disappear from your videos option and you won't be able to play them. Or you can do the following, which is tap onto the right side. Once you tap and select them all, click onto copy. Once you click onto copy, click onto flash, which is basically your internal storage. Tap onto Kayhan. Once you're in here, just paste it in. Perfect. So once they're in there or in your USB, what you want to do is click home. You can either access videos through here and just simply tap this button, or go into apps, slide down to the bottom and tap videos, which is at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap onto the bottom right icon here. You can either get the videos off your USB, which will be right here, and tap onto videos, which will show you all the videos off your USB. Or you can go internally, which is basically your internal storage, which will be at the bottom. Click onto Kayhan and locate your video here. So once you've located what you want to watch, tap onto it and let the movie load. If you're watching a movie and want navigation at the same time, the best course of action is play your movie first. Once you've played your movie, tap onto home, go to navigation. Once navigation is loaded, in a few moments, there you go. Once your navigation loads and whatnot, you want to tap onto the top left corner, which shows this screen with a line down the middle. What you do is tap that, and your video should be playing while you have your navigation on. This is really good if you want to, if you need the app while you have children beside you or something of the sort. It's good to distract children during long drives, or if you simply want to watch a movie or something yourself. Yeah, so that's all the ways you can get music, get videos on your unit.